Okay, hello and good day everyone, no? So today we are going to discuss about the addition and subtraction on decimals, no? So this is just a review na lang, no? Pero supposedly dapat hindi ko na 'to ituturo kasi sa high school na kayo. Pero every time na magtuturo ako ng algebra, no, I find it difficult to teach because some students do not really master on how to add and subtract decimals or multiply or divide the same as sa fractions, no? They still didn't know how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions, especially kung may different denominators. So tulad nito ngayon, baga nire-recall ko sa inyo. Okay? Now, addition and subtraction on decimals. So how can we add and subtract decimals? Okay, first thing to do is make sure that all decimal points are aligned, no? So dapat naka-align lahat ng mga decimal point. Huwag mong titingnan yung number of digits, no? Hindi ka doon titingin kundi sa mga decimal point. Dapat magkatapat-tapat 'yan. Then add or subtract the numbers from right to left, no? So mula sa kanan, no, pinakamababang place value hanggang dito sa may pinakamataas. Then if the decimals are signed numbers, then follow the rule on how to add or subtract integers, no? So here, no, applicable pa rin yung integers, no, kung paano tayo mag-add o mag-subtract, no, in integers, no, ganun din gagawin natin sa mga decimals na may signed numbers, na may mga positive at negative signs. Example here, we have 21.340 plus 415.315 plus 6.120. So paano natin i-align tong mga decimals na to? Okay, by using the vertical method, no? Una, we have 21.340. Sunod, 415.315. As you can see, inalign ko lang yung decimal point. Okay, okay lang ito kahit di magkatapat-tapat. Then, sunod is 6.120, no? Yan. So, aligned sila. Then, we can add now. Start dito, from right to left. We have 0 plus 5 plus 0. That would be equal to 5. Then 4 plus 1. Okay, that is 5 plus 2. We have 7. Then 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 also, no? Then bring down yung decimal point. Sunod, 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 6, that would be equal to 12. So bring down 2, carry 1, no? 1 plus 2, that is 3, plus 1, that is 4. Okay? And then bring down 4. So yung magiging sum is 442.775. Okay? So ganun lang. Another one. This time may sign na, no? 216.35 plus negative 135.02. Okay? What should we do here? Aligned muna natin, no? Then now, as you can see, tignan natin yung mga numbers kung saan mas malaki. Okay, as you can see, mas malaki si 216 compare kay 135. So tama yung pagkaka-arrange ng mga decimals natin. Pero kung si 135, in case na mas malaki siya compare dito sa taas, ililipat lang natin, no? Pagpapalitin lang natin. Dapat laging nasa taas yung malaki, no? Especially kung magkaiba yung sign nila para di tayo magkamali sa pag-subtract. Now, here, since the negative yung 135, instead of adding the numbers, we just have to subtract, no? Iso-subtract natin. 5 minus 2, that is 3. 3 minus 0, that is 3, no? And then decimal point, 6 minus 5, that is 1. Then 1 minus 3 cannot be. So cannot be, I borrow 1, okay, here. So yung 1 maging 11 na. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8, no? So yung 2, binawasan natin ng 1, naging 1 na lang. 1 minus 1, that would be equal to 0. So no need to write na kapag 0. Nasa whole number naman tayo. Okay? The next, number 3, negative 4.60 minus negative 2.37. No? So subtraction tayo of decimals. Again, i-align muna natin. Okay, since may mga sign yan, no, ang gagawin natin is to change the sign of the subtrahend. No? We will change the sign of the subtrahend. So saan subtrahend dito? Itong 2.37. Negative siya, magiging positive. No? So copy muna natin to. And then 2.37 magiging positive 2.37 and then proceed to addition. Now, since negative yung isa, magkaiba yung sign nila. So, anong gagawin natin? Subtract, no? So, 0 minus 7 cannot be. So, borrow 1 here, no? So, yung 6 mo magiging 5, yung 0 magiging 10. 10 minus 7, that is 3. 5 minus 3, that is 2. Okay, bring down decimal point, no? 4 minus 2, that is 2. Then copy the sign of the bigger number, which is negative, no? So we have negative 2.23. Okay? So dali lang. What about this one? 10.61 minus 2.37, no? So walang mga signs, no? Ibig sabihin positive silang dalawa. Now, apply na lang natin yung subtraction of decimal. Okay, 1 minus 7 cannot be. Borrow 1 here. Okay? Okay. So in-apply ko ulit dito yung ano, yung rules, no, in adding integers, no? Change the sign of the subtrahend and then proceed to addition. Anyway, kahit naman diretso natin, the same answer lang naman din ang lalabas. Okay, apply natin to. 1 minus 7 cannot be. So kaya borrow 1, not to 6. So yung 1 magiging 11, yung 6 magiging 5. 11 minus 7, that is 4. 5 minus 3, that is 2. Okay, bring down decimal point. Then 0 minus 2 cannot be. Okay, so we will borrow 1 here from 1. Yung 0 magiging 10. Now 10 minus 2, that is 8. Then 0 na. No need to write. Okay, so we have 8.24. Ano yung sign? Positive kasi positive si 10.61, which is the bigger number compared to 2.37. Okay, so madali lang. Now, syempre, discuss din naman natin yung decimals, adding and subtracting decimals. Sama na natin yung word problems. Okay? Example here. Edmund put 780 pesos into a savings account. After a while, his money earned an interest of 39.74 pesos. How much was in the account then? Okay? So si Edmund, no, meron siyang nilagay na 780 pesos into a savings account. After a while, his money earned an interest of 39.74. So nagkaroon ng tubo, no, nagkaroon ng tubo yung savings niya na 39.74. Ngayon, ilan na o magkano na ang pera niya? Okay? So para ma-solve natin, no, we just have to add, no, itong original money niya, no, and then itong tubo, yung earned na interest. Okay, 780 plus 39.74. Now, 0 plus 4, that is 4. Okay, as you can see, nag-add ako ng 2 zeros here after decimal point kasi nga, yung pag-add natin na isang decimal, mayroong 2 decimal places. So, nag-add tayo ng 0. Okay, 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 7 is 7. Okay, decimal point, bring down. Then 0 plus 9, that is 9. 8 plus 3 is 11. Now, bring down 1, carry 1. 1 plus 7, that is 8. Okay? So, therefore, there was 819.74 pesos in the savings account na ni Edmond. Na meron na siyang 819.74. Okay? Next. Edmond's parents have 15,890.74 pesos in a checking account. How much is left in the account after writing checks totaling 2,635.13 pesos? Okay? So dito, yung parents ni Edmond, meron ng pera na 15,819.74. No? Pero, binawasan nila yon ng 2,635.13. So ilan na lang natira doon sa 15,890.74. Okay? So to be able to know what is how much is left here, we should have to subtract 15,890.74, no, and then 2,635.13. So subtract natin to dito. Now, 4 minus 3, that is this is minus, no? Sorry. What did I do here? Kamali ako. Okay? Okay, 4 minus 3, that would be equal to 1. Then 7 minus 1, that is equal to 6. No? Bili down natin decimal point. Then 0 minus 5 cannot be. We will borrow 1 here, no, from 9. So yung 0 mo magiging 10, while yung 9 magiging 8 na. No? Then 10 minus 5 is 5. No? Yung 9 mo magiging 8. So 8 minus 3, that is also 5. Then 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. No? Then 5 minus 2, that is 3. Then bring down 1. Okay? So there is 13,255.61 pesos left in the checking account. Okay? So ito na lang yung natira doon sa money ng parents ni and bond. Okay? Next, exercise tayo. And add and subtract the following. 4.32 plus 1.578. No? Add natin. Dapat naka-align yung mga decimal point. 0 plus 8 is 8. 2 plus 7 is 9. 3 plus 5 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we have 5.898. Okay? Madali lang. Next, negative 149.08 plus 0.152. Okay? So may negative tayo na may sign yung 149 natin, no? Then, anong gagawin? We will subtract kasi nga magkaiba naman yung sign. So 0 minus 2 cannot be. Kay baruang ka dyan sa 8. So yung 0 mo magiging 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. While yung 8 mo magiging 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay? And then, 0 minus 1 cannot be ulit. Baro 1 dito sa 9. Yung 0 magiging 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. While yung 9 mo magiging 8. 8 minus 0 is 8. Bring down 4. Bring down 1. Therefore, the sum here is negative 148.928. Bakit negative? Kasi negative yung meager number. Okay? Next. 24.67 minus 2.378. Okay, now 0 minus 8, that is equal, cannot be. Okay, borrow 1 to 7. No? So 0, yung 10, yung 0 magiging 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, then 6, kasi nabawasan to eh. 6 minus 7 cannot be ulit. Borrow 1 sa 6, yung 6 mo magiging 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. While yung 6 mo magiging 5, di ko lang kasi nailagay. No? 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, bring down decimal point. 4 minus 2 is 2. Then bring down 2. Okay, the difference is 22.292. Next, negative 9.135 plus negative 23.9. Yes, yan. Na magkaparehas yung sign. Siguro kahit i-add na lang natin kagad, magkaparehas naman yung sign eh. So 5 plus 0, that is 5. 3 plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 9 is 10. So bring down 0, carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10 plus 3, that is 13. I bring down 3, carry 1. 1 plus 2, that is 3. Then copy the sign of the, yung common sign, no? Kasi common sign naman sila, which is negative. Therefore, the sum here is negative 33.0, 035, no? Then number 5, 0.178 minus 4.61. Okay, subtraction tayo. As you can see here, no, mas malaki yung 4.600, yung 61 compare sa 0.178. So pagbabalik ta rin natin, itataas natin tong 4.61, no? Ito naman sa baba para ma-subtract natin ng maayos. Okay, bakit natin iso-subtract? Ha? Kasi magkaiba sila ng sign. Or nag-change tayo ng sign dito. Pinalitan natin yung sign ng 4.61. No? So naging negative siya. Then proceed to addition. Now, 0 minus 8 cannot be. So we will borrow 1 here from 1. So yung 0 magiging 10. 10 minus 8, that is 2. Yung 1 mo, binawasan ng 1 kanina. So 0 na lang yan. 0 minus 7 cannot be ulit. Okay? We will borrow 1 from 6. No? So 10 minus 7 is 3. Then yung 6 mo, 5 na lang yan. 5 minus 1, that is 4. 4 minus 0, that is 4. Copy the sign of the bigger number. Ano yung bigger? 4.61. Ano yung sign? That is negative. So we have here negative 4.432. Okay? So that's it. Thank you for listening. And again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Okay? That's all. Goodbye and God bless.